in Europe or in Spain called as Tenerife. And is Kshitija there? Kshiti, do you see this photograph? Yeah. Do you see this photograph? This is from Tenerife.
Yeah. I know this one.
Yeah, alright. So this is a beautiful photograph which I came across of few star trails. Okay, that is the northern direction. Okay, the one on the photograph on the left would be the north. Okay, at the east, okay, the stars will be making some angle to the horizon. Okay, as we saw in those circles, that the circles are making some angle with the celestial equator was making some angle with the horizon. Okay, and as we go south, again a similar picture on what is happening in the northern direction would happen. Okay, but if you see that this Spain is in the northern hemisphere, so obviously you won't be seeing the southern hemisphere, right? So south celestial poles are that will not be seen from the northern hemisphere, and that is why at the right hand side of the picture you won't see a similar exact formation as what you see in the left side, because the north pole is or this photograph is from the northern hemisphere and the north pole is in the northern direction out there. Alright?
त्यांना तिकडचं कसं मिळालं ते कसं मिळालं
काय ते?
साऊथचा एवढं
साऊथचे
कसं
स्टार्स आहेत ना, साऊथला स्टार्स नाही आहेत असं
नाही, पण
नाही
ते त्यांना कसं दिसलं
काय
त्यांना
ही
कसं
वाईड
दिसलं?
अँगल लेन्सनी फोटो घे. I mean, if that's what you're asking, ki how was this photograph taken?
Right.
It's a wide angle photograph. Wide angle lens was used. I mean, that is why I mean, if this photograph is actually, if you look at it on a larger screen, I mean, I've just cropped it a little bit to fit onto the screen. Okay, but it's a beautiful wide frame photograph which has been taken, and it's those colors actually are not completely seen here, but it's worth to see those colors as well. So he's made use of a very wide angle lens to capture this photograph.
स्पेनची एक्झॅक्ट हे काय आहे पोझिशन?
Spain G is, I think, a 53-degree latitude. I think it's a 53-degree latitude.
पण तरी साऊथचे एवढे स्टार्स दिसते.
साऊथ मी कुठेही जाऊ, मी कुठेही असेन, ओके, लेट्स से आज पुण्यातनी आपल्याला तो कुठला एक
क्रक्स पर्यंत.
क्रक्स पण दिसतो
त्याच्या पलीकडे नाही.
त्याच्या पलीकडे. सो ती डेक्लिनेशनची एक रेंज असते. सो आपण जर नॉर्थ पोलवर गेलो तर आपल्याला स्टार्स विच आर फ्रॉम डेक्लिनेशन 0 डिग्री टू 90 डिग्री प्लस 90 डिग्री ते स्टार्स दिसले, आणि दोज विच आर फ्रॉम 0 डिग्री टू -90 डिग्री ते दिसणार नाही.
ओरांचा अर्धा भाग दिसतो.
हां
ओरांचा अर्धा भाग दिसतो.
ओरायन
अर्धा भाग दिसतो. आणि त्याच्या मंडळ आपण सेल्सियस आपण इक्वेटर
कुठून
ओरांमधलं 3
नाही
आहेत.
कुठून दिसेल अर्धा
नॉर्थ पोलला आपण
हां,
जातो.
हां, हां. नाही इतके येतील असं वाटलं नव्हतं
थोडं
म्हणजे
वाटलं,
साऊथचा. हां
पण अगेन जर पाहिलं तर मी जरा डिबेट का करीन याच्यावर थोडं, की आपल्या जरी पाहिलं दी सर्कल्स आर स्टील व्हेरी बिग आर्ट्स साऊथ मधले जे हे स्टार्स
Still,
आहेत.
those are circular forms,
Ah,
not like
circular.
the lines between.
Not like this, because obviously, because once you
हाँ.
move south, again those circular shapes will take place. Okay, but if you see, okay, हे जे
Full
circles चे जे density आहे, ती आपल्याला टेनेरिफ मधनं दिसणं अशक्य आहे. Because आपल्याला आपण इतके नॉर्थवर. So the next photograph is a very interesting photograph, and that is from the equator.
हाँ.
Equator the game changes again, and now what is the game? That no angle, I mean these people are, the celestial equator is going exactly straight. Star trails are exactly straight. का तर ते सिम्युलेशन परत दाखवायचं आहे, ते सिम्युलेशन ओके. सो एक्झॅक्टली स्ट्रेट ट्रेल्स येतात इथे. सो जर तुम्ही हा ओके, मी तो अजून पॉईंट काढत नाही लॅटिट्यूडसाठी, बट नाव कॅन यू अप्रिशिएट की आपल्याला या डिफरंट लोकेशन्सवर हे कसे ट्रेल्स वेगवेगळे दिसायला लागतात. There must be some illuminated topic, पण इतकं illumination कोणी लाईट सेवर घेऊन उभं असेल तर.
तो जो छोटा आहे तो एक व्हेकल माउंटन टॉपवर जात आहे. एक व्हेकल माउंटन टॉपवरनं खाली येत आहे त्याचा आहे.
कुठलं ते का?
खाली येत आहे, एक व्हेकल खाली येत आहे.
ते पण दिसलं
So,
That is a single vehicle only.
can you please,
हां.
Okay, sure.
Hi, with and then Kanad is also there.
All right.
Okay, other than Kanad.
Other than Kannada. Okay. Now, little bit of mathematics again, or not entirely mathematics, okay, but now we kept on talking, or I kept on stressing one important point, which is called as the main point, okay, and that main point was all stars will trace circles parallel to the celestial equator, okay, and in that simulation earlier we saw that that celestial equator was making some angle with the horizon at some latitudes, okay. So now let us assume that this is my horizon, okay, this is, everyone can see, सबको this time, and let us say that we are at the equator. Let us start from equator, okay. So equator la, what is the position? Star trace T, they are falling straight down, okay, they are falling straight down. That means, in other words, I must say that these star rays are perpendicular to the horizon. They are falling straight down. Okay, I can say that these star rays are perpendicular to the horizon. Yes. That would mean that if I have to find, we know that the equator's latitude is 0 degree. Correct? And as we went, now this is the first picture. Second picture was that which we saw from Spain, that these lines were making some angle. Okay. Again, this angle was there was some angle out here. Let's call it as theta. Okay. Here theta is 90 degree. Okay. And at the north pole, okay.
Zero parallel.
Zero.
Yeah.
Parallel.
Parallel. So at the north pole they will be making the 0 degree. Yeah. So now interestingly, what is being observed, or what is happening is that this angle, which is 90 minus theta, is always coming out to be your latitude. Yes. So if this was the angle which I found out from my Zaga, take a lecture.
इकडे बसा इकडे इकडे बस
समोर आहे.
तिकडे नाही
नाही बसतो हा इकडे बसतो ना आता येईल हे मध्ये येईल खरं नाही वेचा
Ready? Alright. So now we are coming back to the latitude part, that we assume, now we know, or we can say with surety that this angle, which is 90 minus theta, would apparently be giving me my latitude of that location. Now, is it possible to find this angle theta at least? And if we find out theta, then our problem will be over. So what we did was, or what I thought was that again, as I came back to the Photoshop tool, that
this line is the tangent to the arcs that these are forming.
sorry, which one?
This theta.
Yeah. Theta is the angle which the celestial equator has been making with respect to the horizon. The circles. You want me to go back to the simulation?
No,
I can
no,
go
no.
back if you want.
No, you can just show the circles, the other circles. Star
Straight.
trace. Go back to the star trace.
Okay,
That's what
first.
he's asking.
Okay.
He's asking, is it a tangent to that star trace, the circular star?
Okay.
हा दिस
Yeah,
वन
go there. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are forming arcs, right?
Correct.
So that
These are forming arcs, and at the same time, these which are exactly close to the celestial equator, okay, they would be forming arcs, all right, but these arcs would be at infinity. They would never be something like this, right? Is that
yes.
clear? Or so we are trying to find out this angle. Okay. So again we turn to Photoshop, and again I want to stress out here that it is a very rough method of finding out the angle. Okay. I have not taken any other consideration. I am assuming that okay, I have drawn a perpendicular with respect to this plateau which you see in this photograph. Okay. There could be some change. There could be some variation, but again that variation may not be very large. Okay, so I draw a perpendicular, and the angle which this star trail is making, okay, now you notice that there is some angle. We are saying that it was at the equator, and at the equator it should be exactly perpendicular, but now it looks that it is not exactly perpendicular, and that angle comes out to be 3.1 degree. And exactly this photograph was actually taken from a location which was at the 4 degree latitude. The latitude of the location from where this photograph was taken was 4 degrees, and what we find out was 3.1 degrees. Alright, but we can go back to.
Dhruv, you know the exact place from where it was taken, city or something?
No. But
No,
I
because
think
there,
this
my
was the
suspicion is there could be an airport on the other side and it's a plane
That's
which is
glow.
landing. No, the plane which is landing. That
But
glow.
No, are you seeing a plane trail somewhere?
No, that most prominent glow is that of a approaching plane. If
That
Okay,
Glow
I
at back
understand.
side of that mountain.
other
Then
side
that
of
would mean the plane is going.
no, of course not. Even see, it is a projection on a vertical which you are
Ah.
taking. Even if it's landing like this, the projection is going to be a vertical.
Okay, got it. I got it.
It's at various levels. It is as it's descending. It will.
Okay.
The angle at which it is taken is exactly the runway is exactly perpendicular to the place to the camera.
Okay, got it.
So there is a slight trail, so that's
So
the
it might be
angle.
Going like this. Okay.
And you mean to say the glow which is available over there is the same plane?
It's a plane which is landing. I mean, if you know the location,
know
you
the
can find
location. Okay, we
Google
can
Earth.
do
You can
this.
figure that out.
We can do this, yeah. And this is again one more photo which was taken from Australia. Now we are back to the southern hemisphere. And in the end, I'm going to put in one question, which is what is the difference between the trails in the southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere? Okay, so just observe these pictures carefully, which I have been showing. I mean, if you want to go back to the Spain image, okay, this is the image from the northern hemisphere, okay, and this is an image from the southern hemisphere.
Why is the color difference there?
That might be due to the photographic technique employed. So, I mean, the color would definitely be dependent on how much was the exposure or what was the
What
surrounding
filters
atmosphere,
used?
or what filter he was using. But of course, there is one more good point which I did not want to put it in this presentation, and that was that in these star trails also you will notice some colors. So those colors are actually indicative of the color temperature of that particular star. So there is again one more study which can be done on the basis of just the color. Okay. So again, if you see now, this again happens to be some mid latitude again. Yes, this looks like some mid latitude now because that angle now is
Not perpendicular.
it's not perpendicular, it's not parallel, so it looks like some mid latitude. Alright. Now again we try to find out what was the angle here, and it came out to be 34.9 degrees. And the mean altitude or the mean latitude of Australia is again close to about 35 degrees to 40 degrees in latitude. So the point here, you can see actually that green line which has been, there's one perpendicular and there's one line which has been shooted onto the star trail, right? And this is, I didn't want to actually come directly here. Now, so everyone's clear with this? I mean, now that it's back, yeah? Awesome. So now we have a few, there's one question, a very interesting question as I was asking about, please keep an attention on the images in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, okay? Now I'm going to give you an animation. Let us try and see, or just try and attempt this question, that the following animation represents star trails as seen by a mid-latitude observer in the dash hemisphere looking dash. Which hemisphere he was at and where was he looking? Take your time, it's a little tricky. If something is setting, at least the stars are setting, we can make we got that.
This is southern east,
Southeast, maybe you're saying southern hemisphere,
looking east.
looking east. Okay, any other answer? This is the first answer. Northern east. Northern east.
Three more answers to be given.
Three more answers. Okay, by the way, everything, again, the clue is stars are setting.
Or southern west. Southern west.
Now southern west. Now we have only 4 options. So southern west. Okay. And second clue is stars rise in the east and set in the west. And those circles. Exhausted. Sure. Northern West. बघा. Northern West ला निहार
हे
anybody support?
प्रत्येकाने आपल्या मनात ठेवा आणि शो आन्सर कर आणि विचार
Okay. Alright? कळलंय काय होतंय?
वेस्ट
वेस्ट कळलं पण नॉर्थ आणि नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फिअर आणि सदर्न हेमिस्फिअरचं काय ओके सी आपण नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फिअर मध्ये ओके फिअर इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फिअर ओके स्टार गो whichever hemisphere stars are going to rise in the east and set in the west okay but this angle which we are talking about theta आपण सारखा theta म्हणत होतो okay can this orientation change or will it? Think a little bit more. Okay, in the star trails, let me go back to the Tenerife image now. Okay, the star trails, okay, they are rising in the east. Okay, these are east म्हटलास मध्ये directions are east म्हटलास. Okay, हा जो tilt आहे, this is towards the north. Yes. Okay. आणि if I were to assume की मी आता वेस्टवर आहे आणि सगळं माझं प्रोजेक्शन हे होत असेल ओके तर तो जो अँगल आहे म्हणजे इफ दिस इज नाउ इफ आय एम फेसिंग वेस्ट वुडंट दी स्टार्स मेक दिस टिल्ट इन दिस डिरेक्शन इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फिअर म्हणजे आता हा हे असे राईज होत आहेत तर वेस्टमध्ये ते तसे दिसतील ना म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल पिरामिडला आपण जेव्हा होतो ओके तू होतास की नाही ओके वॉट पण ॲज मिडनाईट और ॲज सम ऑब्जेक्ट क्रॉस द झेनिथ ओके सडनली आपल्याला आपण म्हणायला लागलो सगळे की अरे ओरिएंटेशन बदललं म्हणजे वेन दीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स वर इन द ईस्ट अँड मुव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स द झेनिथ ओके इट वॉज लुकिंग समथिंग ओके जेमिनी आपल्याला कशी एका ओरिएंटेशनमध्ये दिसत होती अँड आफ्टर इट क्रॉस द झेनिथ अँड स्टार्टेड गोइंग टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट अगेन ही ओरिएंटेशन आपल्याला चेंज होताना दिसते येस सेम थिंग इज बीइंग अप्लाइड हियर
ते मिरर इमेज दिसते का त्याची जसं राईज होताना तिकडे गेल्यावर ते वेगळं ना नाही इट ॲक्च्युली फॉलोज द पॅटर्न फॉलोज
ओरिएंटेशन चेंज होतं ना तुझं
बाकी काही
अशी तुझा जर एक पर्टिक्युलर ओरायन जर असा येताना दिसतो तो इट विल झेनिथ क्रॉस केल्यानंतर तो पूर्ण चेंज झालेला असतो
एक्झॅक्टली एक्झाम्पल देतो तर स्कॉर्पियन
तो आडवा वगैरे झालेला
स्कॉर्पियन एक्झॅक्टली इतकं सुंदर एक्झाम्पल आहे ना
स्कॉर्पिओ इज द बेस्ट
स्कॉर्पियनचा
एक्झाम्पल
उर्जा पहिले 3 तारे दिसतात आणि पूर्ण दिसतो
हो.
ज्यावेळी सेटिंग होतो पूर्ण आडवा झालेला
झालेला
स्कॉर्पिओ इज द बेस्ट
स्कॉर्पियनचं एक्झाम्पल बेस्ट आहे
निहार तू पिरामिडला कधी होतास अच्छा जानेवारी ओके हां तेव्हा स्कॉर्पिओ
साऊथ टू वेस्ट सदर्न वेस्ट डायरेक्शन मग नॉर्थ ईस्ट सुद्धा बरोबर ऑप्शन पाहिजे कारण का तू कुठल्या
Will stars rise in the set in the east?
इट्स सेटिंग ना
What are you setting? Stars are setting, right? So, with that I think I've already come up to the end. It's just 2 minutes before 7:30. I try my best to keep it as within the time limits. And of course, if any discussion is left, any point has to
आज का इंटरनॅशनल
Yeah, what about the मला काहीच माहिती नाही कोण आहे
अरे कणाद आहे अद्वैत आहे हाय कणाद
मार्के
मानके
कानाचं यंत्र काढून
नमस्कार नॉटिंगहॅम अद्वैत हो बोला